This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? Hope you are having a good week so far, as the market has given us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I just want to give a quick update for gold, Euro USD, GBPUSD, and GBPJPY, and just to show you what is happening in the market, and just a continuation of my last video. So I was starting up with gold, and from the weekly time frame, we can see that with gold, this week has started strongly bearish, and we formed this very strong bearish candle, and a lot of selling pressure pushing price to the downside. And I expect price to possibly get all the way down to this support level around this 1788 area, and then we'll see how price reacts to that as well. And if price wants to push the market price to the downside, then that would happen as well. But for now, I'm expecting a continuation of the sell trades. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that I've indicated down here the support level around the 1830 area, and I said in my last video that I was expecting the price to push from this previous resistance here around the 1870 area and get to the 1830 area, so which give us about 400 pips there. And price, you can see price has just broken through that resistance, that support area as well, quite strongly, and that's where price closed. Now price is heading back towards that support turned resistance around the 1830 area to retest that level, and then I'm expecting price to really bounce to the downside from there as well. That's what I'm expecting, but we have to be very careful because anything can happen as well. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see exactly what's happening. That we can see price got to this resistance area here around the 1830, and then push quickly downwards, forming this bearish pin bar here, which for me is an indication that price could continue to the downside. So that is why I have entered my sell trade around here, and I'm expecting price to get all the way to the previous significant support area around the 1788 area, so giving us around 350 pips. And I hope that you'll be able to capitalize on that as well. But you just need to make sure that you ensure proper risk management, because anything can happen and price can easily just push to the upside, taking you out as well. So you have to be very careful with how much you risk. But so far, this has been my analysis for gold. Next, I'm going to go through my analysis for Euro USD. And Euro USD, just like gold, we can see that I said this support area around the 1.047 area was where I was looking out for, and to see how price reacts to the area. And we can see on the weekly time frame, price has pushed to the downside, breaking through that area as well. And given the previous price action, we can see that I was expecting price to continue to the downside. Given this sort of movement, price reversing around the 50% Fibonacci level, and then continue all the way back down to this previous support around the 1.035 area. And if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that that previous support was broken, and price closed strongly below that area, and price has gone to retest it now, giving this rejection there. So I'm expecting price to reverse from that area, which is what we are seeing currently on the 4-hour time frame. So this is a good opportunity for you to also sell the market around this current price. Make sure you just ensure proper risk management, and then take your exit around the 1.035 area, and then we'll see how price reacts to this previous support there around the 1.035 area. And if price breaks that, then we'll be looking to continue our sell trade, and if not, if price gives us a bullish signal, then we'll be exiting our sell trade and then taking our buy trade from there. So that's my analysis for Euro USD. Next, I will go through my analysis for GBPUSD. And GBPUSD, I haven't really taken any trade on this currently because this trade just passed me by. Where price on the 4-hour time frame, we can see price has been strongly bearish, and then has broken this previous support area around the 1.22 area, and then price went back up to that area to retest it, and then started pushing to the downside, and now price has just got into this previous support again, or the next support level of 1.21 area, and then we'll see how price reacts. If price breaks through that area strongly, then price could continue its bearish run all the way down to the next significant support area around the 1.16 region. So, but so far, because I've missed this trade, I'll look for a proper opportunity to capitalize on it, and then I would release another video for that and let you know what's happening there as well. And finally, on the GBPJPY charts, we can see that price has moved strongly bearish as well after breaking the trend line, which I was expecting, and I was able to capitalize on that, getting about 200 pips. And price broke through that area. Okay, so broke through the trend line, retested it, continued to the downside, breaking this previous significant support area and going back to retest it, and the price is continuing to the downside, and now it's around this 4-hourly support area, which I expect price to break. And if price do break, we'll wait for a retest of that area, then we'll look for our sell opportunities to continue selling GBPJPY. So that's what we'll be doing in the coming weeks, and I'll give you an update on that later on during the week if I see a very good opportunity to sell. So this has basically been my analysis for the 4 major pairs. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the